In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have the official integration set up from within Asana so your team can capture tasks from chats, keep projects visible in Teams, and reduce context switching. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This is your main dashboard and a reliable place to begin because the account and workspace you're in will carry through to the integration. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work account and make sure you have permission to add apps in your organization. Next, look to the top right corner of Asana and click your profile icon. This is the small circle with your avatar or initials. It opens a menu that controls your personal preferences and app connections, which is exactly where we want to go for this setup. From that menu, choose Settings. A new window or panel will appear with several tabs. These settings are specific to your profile, and they're where you manage how Asana behaves for you, not project by project, but across your account. In the Settings window, select the Apps tab. Think of this as your integration hub. It's where Asana lists official and approved partners. If you don't see the tab or some apps are missing, your admin may have restricted installations, so just keep that in mind. Scroll through the available apps until you find Microsoft Teams. You can move steadily down the list or use any built-in search if it's available in your view. You're looking for the Microsoft Teams integration published by Asana, which ensures it's the supported connection. When you see Microsoft Teams, click Connect. This starts the handoff from Asana to Microsoft so the two tools can talk securely. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this step so the authorization window can appear. You'll be taken to the Microsoft Marketplace page for the Asana app. Click Get It Now. This confirms that you want to add the integration to your Microsoft environment. You may be asked to choose or confirm your work account and accept permissions. If your organization requires admin approval, you might see a request for approval screen. Just submit it and proceed once it's granted. The marketplace will guide you through any remaining prompts. That's it. With the connection initiated from Asana and confirmed in Microsoft, you'll be ready to bring tasks into Teams, receive Asana updates where your conversations happen, and keep everyone aligned. If anything doesn't appear, double check that you're using the same work account in both tools and that your admin allows third-party apps.